Welcome back to our DevSecOps series. In our last video, we explored the world of DevSecOps and the exciting opportunity it offers. Today, we are diving deeper with a step-by-step guide on how you can start a DevSecOps career. In this video, I will provide you with a simplified roadmap that will help you break into this high in-demand career path. Please subscribe to my channel now for more original and informative content, tips and updates on starting and building a highly rewarding IT career. DevSecOps is the integration of security practices within DevOps processes. To succeed, you need to understand how development, security, and operations intersect, right? This includes understanding the CI/CD pipeline, understanding automation, cloud environments, and how security fits into each of these stages. You start by reading up on DevSecOps fundamentals. Some great introductory resources include courses on Pluralsight, Udemy, Cybrary, and the likes. There are also great books on DevSecOps fundamentals that you can buy on Amazon or other bookstores. Before diving into security, which is a major component of DevSecOps, it is crucial to be comfortable with development and operations. You should be proficient in programming languages like Python, Java, or Go language, and understand basic system administration principles in Linux and Windows environments. Some great resources for this include, for coding, for programming, platforms like Code Academy, Leeds Code, and HackerRank are excellent platforms for sharpening your programming skills. For system administration, courses on platforms like Linux Academy, Microsoft Learn, Coursera, and Udemy are great resources. Security is at the heart of DevSecOps. That's why security is in between development and operations. Start with understanding the fundamental concepts like encryption, network security, and vulnerability management in software applications. Consider taking courses on platforms like Google Cloud, Cybrary, AWS, Microsoft, SANS Institute, and the likes. These platforms offers fundamental trainings on cybersecurity, which you need to become a proficient DevSecOps engineer. DevOps is the backbone of DevSecOps. Familiarize yourself with tools like Jenkins for CI/CD pipeline, Docker and Kubernetes for containerization, and Terraform for infrastructure as code. Automation is key element of DevSecOps, so it's important that you learn scripting and configuration management with tools like Ansible. For resources to learn how to use these tools and gain hands-on experience, use sites like QA, EC Council, DevSecOps certification trainings, and other courses offered by Microsoft, Google, and Amazon Web Service. Udemy courses on Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes are highly recommended. Having understood these different elements of DevSecOps, now it's time to merge your knowledge of development operations, DevOps, with security practices, which I said in step 2, you've already learned from the basics of cyber security. Learn how to implement security tools in CI/CD pipeline, conduct automated security testing, and integrate tools like SonarQube, Sneak, and Trivy for continuous security analysis in your software development process. Follow tutorials and courses on DevSecOps on platforms like Cloud Guru or LinkedIn Learning. Attend webinars and workshops from DevSecOps communities like OWASP and DevSecOn. Certifications can validate your skills and make you stand out. Though I am not a strong advocate of certifications without requisite skills. Consider certifications like Certified DevSecOps Professional, DevSecOps Engineer certifications, AWS Certified Security, and many other DevSecOps focused certifications. Certifications are offered by platforms like DevOps Institute, AWS, ISC Squared, and many other platforms, EC Council, and the likes. These credentials can be a game changer for your career as long as you have the requisite skills. You've gone through the steps I've listed to acquire the requisite skills. Remember, experience is key in DevSecOps, just as it is with most IT career paths. Start by working on your own personal projects. Integrate security into your CI/CD pipeline. Contribute to open source security tools. This is very essential. And participate in bug bounty programs. GitHub and GitLab are platforms to showcase your work. Have a solid GitHub repository as your portfolio. Participate in Capture the Flag competitions on platforms like Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, and other platforms. The final bit of getting into this career path is networking. Networking is crucial. Join DevSecOps communities on Reddit and on LinkedIn. Attend conferences like DevSecCon, RSA Conference, and the Black Hats Conference. You can attend these conferences remotely. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in the industry. Follow industry leaders on X, formerly Twitter, and subscribe to newsletters and participate in discussions in forums like Stack Overflow and DevOps Exchange. Follow this step-by-step guide to start your DevSecOps career. Remember, the journey won't be easy, but with the right skills, resources, and the right mindset, you can secure a rewarding career in this exciting field. Don't forget, share and subscribe to my channel for more insights and guides on starting and on advancing your IT careers. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. What's your next step towards becoming a DevSecOps engineer? Check out the description for links to all the materials I've mentioned in this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.